Want to edit video like this? Let me show you how to do it. First, open Capcut application and then find the video you want to edit. You can use 2 videos or 3 or more. It is depend about the ratio do you want to use. Is it for Instagram story or for feeds because the ratio is different? Trim the video for duration do you want. And delete the one that you don't use. For the second and third video, set it as an overlay. Move the second and third video to same start as the first video. Trim the videos so the duration is the same for all the videos. Choose mask and then choose film strip. After that, you can balance the mask between the videos. Do the same for others' videos but choose split. And then you can invert it or not. It is depend on the view do you want to see. Is this video or not? At this point, it is about how creative you are to balance the video. Also, you can move the video so you can choose the frame do you want to show. After you are done editing, choose the ratio for the videos. You can choose this at the beginning. Export your video, make it full resolution and 30 FPS. Like this tutorial? Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.